safety brief before? Airsoft is a game of honor. When you're hit, call hit. Don't be that asshole that's like, I'm hit, I'm hit, I'm hit. Someone says real war medic, stand up, yell it. Same thing. If you hear ceasefire, stand up in a non-aggressive posture and echo that call. Safety brief before.
The walk of shame.
You fucked up. Generally, don't be a dick. Don't be that asshole today. We're just gonna split into teams, and then you two are gonna go kill each other.
That's hard for you guys to count that.
Look at the trees, they're dancing around. Happy little critters scurry on the ground. Splash in the puddles without a sound. Adventures where fun can always be found. Jumping over rainbows in the sky. Laughing.
We're moving.
You going okay?
5. Okay, good.
Stoney Mill, reload, fire, engage, no fear.